In this video, I will share with you how to turn on Mac keyboard light. On my previous MacBook, I was able to turn on the Mac keyboard light using just the F6 button on the top line of my keyboard buttons. And I can also turn down the Mac keyboard light using the button next to it, which is the F5. Unfortunately, on this newer MacBook M2 MacBook Air that I own and I use right now, those buttons does not exist anymore. So how I turn on my keyboard light now is simple. I click on this little brightness icon from the menu bar, and I use this slider to turn on. As you see now, I see on the keyboard light in the fullest, and now it is turned off, and this is the middle. Another way that you can use or turn on the keyboard brightness is from the control center. Yes, it is called the control center. Click here and you will see the keyboard brightness. If you don't see the keyboard brightness feature or icon from here or from the control center, this means that you need to add them to those places. How to do this? It's simple. Click on this Apple icon from this corner, select System Settings, then look for the control center. This is it, and here look for the keyboard brightness. This is it. Next to show in the menu bar, enable it like this, and you will see it added here. Same thing for the control center. When it is not activated or enabled, you see nothing. Click enable this option next to show in the control center, and you can start adjusting the keyboard light from here. And this is how to turn on MacBook keyboard light the easiest way. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.